What's great about NC Accelerate is that we're able to share a lot of these job opportunities with folks that may not ever otherwise have exposure to this type of industry.
I think the opportunity that it creates, there's a chance for people who maybe have not been able to explore a particular career path, or they've been down a particular career path and they want to make an adjustment or a shift in what their career looks like to them. And I think all of these kinds of programs that fall under this umbrella are essentially creating pathways for people to be able to access really highly skilled and highly paid job opportunities, and in an industry where it's mission driven, it's rewarding at the end of the day.
I decided to enroll in a life science training program because I wanted to make a career change that was going to be life-changing. And the life science training program allowed me to do that. I was able to go from low class to middle class with the salary increase after successfully completing the program and acquiring a job in the life science industry.
We knew this was something special to be able to lower the barrier to entry into biomanufacturing in North Carolina. And so now what we have is a new opportunity for individuals who may have not seen themselves as scientists.
What you were trying to do is make sure that the prosperity of the biopharmaceutical industry was being spread across North Carolina to people in rural communities and people that have been left behind in this economy. It's just so hopeful.
I think it's been amazing how it's reached people at all these different levels of education and provided opportunities for them that I never would have thought about or seen from the beginning.
Life science manufacturing brings me so much hope because it's something that I can pass down to my children, knowing that it's going to set them up for a great career and set them up financially in a great place for my children and my grandchildren.